Let's hear from Daniel, an osteopathic medicine student. For Daniel, the road to medical school was certainly not a long journey. Growing up in Downers Grove, just minutes from the Midwestern campus, Daniel was inspired during his high school visit to the campus. This was all he needed to set his sights on a career in healthcare. Daniel, you are up.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, everyone. I've lived in Illinois my whole life. I graduated from the University of Illinois, Chicago, and now I'm back in the suburbs to get my doctorate at Midwestern University. In high school, my anatomy teacher took our class on a field trip to Midwestern. This was the day I experienced my passion for the very first time. I wanted to become a doctor. Seeing Midwestern's state-of-the-art facilities and students dissecting actual cadavers blew my mind and left an everlasting impact on me. Now, through programs like High School Career Days and Health Careers Institute, Midwestern offers me the opportunity to inspire others just like Midwestern inspired me. As medical students, we study a lot, but when we aren't studying, there's so many ways to let our brains relax and recalibrate, like biking up Lakeshore Drive and taking in the beautiful city skyline, or heading over to the famous Lincoln Park Zoo. Midwestern's location offers the best of both worlds, the tranquility of the suburbs and the vibrant energy of downtown Chicago. Midwestern offers fun on campus too. Many students participate in intramural sports, revolving around specialties like dental, medical, pharmacy, and physical therapy, which creates exciting rivalries. Midwestern has taught me to study hard while also connecting with my classmates, being a part of the community, and making memories I'll never forget. I feel blessed to be a part of this community. Back to you, Alex.
That is such a fantastic story, Daniel. Midwestern University is committed to outreach and encouraging the next generation of students to pursue careers in healthcare. Thanks again, Daniel, for sharing your story.